Welcome to this course on Arts Therapy, a Student's Perspective. This course is intended for people who are interested in therapeutic art and the creative process, either for self-exploration and healing or for the purpose of working with other people to help support them in a therapeutic setting. I'm always looking at ways to bring my students the best possible learning experience when they study with me. And for this course, I've decided to take on board some of your valuable feedback. One of the suggestions put forward was to make the lectures into a text format rather than normal video, and that's exactly what I've done. You'll find a number of the lectures delivered as text so that you're able to easily download them as a PDF and use them with your own clients should you wish. If you too would like to be considered as a guest artist for my next course, make sure you contact me through the Udemy messaging tool and I'll be happy to give you all the details. As with all of my courses, this course is fully accredited with the CPD Standards Agency, a globally recognised professional body. Taking this course will give you the opportunity to gain formal certification for 10 hours of CPD, also known as CE credit, depending on what country you reside in. You'll find more information about the accreditation process at the end of the course. Enrolling on this course entitles you to be a member of an exclusive private sharing gallery, solely created for the purpose of my Udemy students being able to share their artwork, experiences, and to support one another as we journey together using therapeutic art and the creative process. If you'd like to be part of our amazing group, let me know and I'll arrange for your access to the community via a private link. Apart from the obvious supplies of paper, pens, pencils and paints, etc., I like to encourage my students to be creative when it comes to art materials, and there's certainly no need to invest in any expensive equipment in order to enjoy the course. My volunteer students who have created the beautiful artwork featured in these lectures have taken inspiration from a whole range of mediums, so let your imagination be your guide when it comes to choosing art materials and the way in which you use them. And finally, for those of you who are new to the Udemy platform, I'd like to share with you a little about their review process. As you progress through the course, you'll be prompted by the Udemy platform to leave a review. Please do be aware this often happens within the first 5 or 10 minutes. After listening to feedback from my students, I know that for a lot of them, they felt it was too early to comment about their experience of the course. Please don't feel you need to leave a review if you too feel it is too soon. You can simply click on the option which indicates you would prefer not to leave a review just yet. Should for whatever reason you find something that you're not happy with, please do contact me at once rather than leaving negative feedback. I want everyone to have a truly enriching learning experience with me, and I'll always work with you to ensure this happens. If you've studied with me before, you'll know already how incredibly passionate I am when it comes to looking after my students. I'll always answer you the very same day, and more often than not, within a few hours, so please don't hesitate to reach out. Happy learning and enjoy the course.